Getting set up for our next job. Brakes and rotors. Pads and rotors.
Prads and rotors.
Prads and rotors. One day we're gonna get one of those big fancy electric ones so you don't have to do this by hand. So we can't find our adapter for the impact, so we're gonna do this one old-fashioned way.
Well, you don't hold the brakes.
Can do. Look at me doing the important stuff. Yeah. Gotta hold this wheel too. Ugh.
This is gonna be fun.
Yeah. Love that.
Now I see through.
Now I can take the caliper and try and hang it somewhere. It's not trying to get damaged.
Gotcha.
This side is pretty low, but it's not as bad as I expected, so that's good.
Jeez, they are so rusty though. I guess he says he hasn't driven it in a while though.
Okay, now everything on this is just a strange size. And a little bit overkill, if you ask me.
The other one's where?
Right here
Oh, okay.
and here. It's weird because my metric sizes don't fit. It's European. Europeans always use metric.
They decided to throw a wrench in it. You didn't laugh hard enough at that. I'm hilarious.
You gotta clean this whole face off.
Gosh, it looks... It's not bad that that's all rusty in the middle and stuff.
Yeah.
Looks so out of place.
This thing came from somewhere in a rusty state.
Georgia is where he said it's from, I think. Now look what you've done.
Well, I don't really want to put this back in. But it holds the rotor while I work on it.
Can you just not put it like as tight?
Yeah.
Especially since it's all rusted.
Where's my rag sleeve? There it is.
I hate that word. I don't know why. Rag.
Okay. So, it'll only be on one side of it.
If it has it. So we didn't find the sensor on this side. So if we don't find one on the other side, we can just put it on the other side.
If it's not on the other side, then it doesn't have one.
Yeah, like, do you think somebody just didn't install it, or it didn't come with one?
Yeah, it's not here, so it either didn't come with one or it's on the other side. Because there's only one side that goes on.
So is it not a thing that you can do a job like this that does have one and just not put it in?
I'm sure it is, but it would set off a light, and he said he doesn't have a light.
That's true.
So you would clip into the pad. That's where it's supposed to sit.
Oh, I see.
So what it does is it clips in to this little slot
Yeah.
on one of the pads, So I'm guessing it's on the other side. It's got to be. And then the stupid design for them. I'm gonna grab one. Grab it.
Let me grab it. What's that?
Infuriating thing about these is that is the sensor.
Right.
Take your pad and your sensor. Let me see how this clips into your pad just like that. And it's designed so that as soon as your pad gets low enough that it touches your rotor right here, it sets off the brake light.
Right.
Problem is this is permanently damaged. You have to replace it and buy a new one.
Gotcha. Probably on the other side though. Guess we shall see.
A one pad down to metal on the other side. But the inside pad may still have enough life that it didn't hit the sensor yet.
Why does the inside and outside wear differently?
So the pistons right here on your caliper are what push your pads.
Okay.
And then they return on these floating pins that slide. So all your weight is pressed here and it forces one pad into this and then it squeezes it all together. So it takes a little bit of time and sometimes they can get a little bit sticky. And sometimes they won't wear quite as evenly.
Gotcha.
Which is fairly normal, but if you start noticing like half a pad and no pad, then you have a problem.
For sure.
Something sticking severely.
Got you.
So now I just gotta get this to line up. Might help if I do this part first. I'll take this one. And then we can take our other fancy new tool over here.
Oh yeah! I love this thing.
And this. Now they're not tight yet, but I don't have to sit here and twist it by hand for 5 minutes.
Right.
Okay.
So that doesn't tighten them?
I mean, it's hand tight maybe, but no. It's not really meant to tighten anything like that.
Okay.
This actually does tighten stuff.
Fair.
Torsionist this thing in here again.
Right.
Now, we should be able to take this old junk out.
Sick.
Take that from you.
Whew, thank God. I did all the heavy lifting there.
Yep. Almost broke your nail again.
I don't know. I can't even. Anyway.
Freshies.
Okay.
And this should fit now. Oh yeah.
Like a glove.
Alright. Now we can put this wheel back on. We're done with this side.
Heck yeah. Torque wrench. 103.
103. Okay, the one difference on this side is we got to put this back on. Sits on the bleeder screw like a that.
This is the brake wear sensor.
Yep. Now it did get slightly touched, but it's not setting off any sensors or lights, so we're gonna reuse this one.
Okay. Save him some money.
And now it just clips right in this little gap. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, yeah, the little...
It snaps into that.
Okay. Okay, yep.
Just like that. Right there. Alright, so what this does, when the edge of this sensor,
Yep.
when the brake pads wear, it'll get closer to the rotor, and the very end of this sensor will rub on the rotor, and it'll grind it off, and it'll open a circuit.
Okay.
And when that circuit's open, it'll illuminate the brake light on your dash, or it'll tell you in the sensor or the center screen that you need to change your brakes.
Got you, okay.
Now, unfortunately, since there's only one, and it's only on the back pad of this side, the only way this will be accurate, as we could see before, because this did not have an illuminated brake light,
Right.
yet we had grinding brakes.
Right.
The only way that this is accurate is if this pad is the first one to get to that point.
Of all four of them.
Of all four.
Yeah.
That's just the way they designed this thing. So
Okay.
it's not the best way to know that you're out of brakes.
Fair. Okay. Good
But
to
when
know,
it
good
is
to know.
all working properly, it can be useful. I think it's kind of dumb that they are a part that is designed to get destroyed. They could have done this in a different way that maybe like doesn't destroy it, so you have to buy a new one.
Right. Unless you ignore it for long enough that...
But that's neither here nor there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Just my opinions on things.
Fair.
Now I see
So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Milwaukee, this has a setting right here. And what this does is it's designed to zero torque. So when you see me do this, I'm not over torquing these lug nuts. All it does is it'll spin and stop immediately.
Nice.
It's designed to not torque anything or put any extra torque. It's just to run them down to where they're seated. Now we pump the brake pedal back up so we have brakes.
Okay.
Just get the
That's my cue.